Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this video lecture on menstrual cycle. So this is part of the free lecture series that will be brought to you by RN Mentor. Ginagawa ko po itong video or lectures na mga ito to help our mga nursing graduates na currently working so they cannot review full-time, or yung mga mga nursing graduates po na wala po, financially incapable po to enroll in a review center. So, sana po makatulong to mga free lectures na gagawin ko. So, this is the first video I'm making, pero marami pa po akong gagawin mga video para po sa tulong po natin sa mga nursing graduates po. Right, so umpisahan na po natin. Topic again is menstrual cycle. So, ano po ba yung menstrual cycle? Your book defines menstrual cycle as an episodic bleeding. Episodic bleeding. Now, since this is bleeding, we can assume that there is blood loss. And since blood is lost, iron will be lost too. Kasi nga, ang iron ay nasa blood, right? So blood loss is, in average, is about 30 to 80 ml. And iron loss is about 11 milligrams. Next, ano po ba ang dahilan o ang purpose ng menstrual cycle? The menstrual cycle happens in a woman for the purpose of egg maturation. Yan po yung isang purpose ng inyong menstrual cycle. Para po mag-mature ng egg ang babae at i-prepare ang uterus, prepare the uterus for possible implantation. So this is the main purpose of your menstrual cycle. Now, para maintindihan natin ang menstrual cycle, kailangan natin pag-usapan yung phases. Now, when it comes to phases, there are two ways how to view the phases of menstrual cycle. First is ovarian, right? And the second is uterine. So, dalawa po yan. Sa point of view ni ovary, ilan ang phases ng yung menstrual cycle? Sa point of view ni uterus, ilan ang phases ng menstrual cycle? Ang ovarian, dalawa lang po. We have your follicular and we have your luteal. Pero sa point of view ni uterus, apat ang phases. We have your proliferative, secretory, ischemic, and menstrual. So, 4 phases ang uterine. Dalawa lang ang ovarian. Now, how would you know which phase ang tinutukoy? Okay? Now, under follicular, you just need to combine what is happening in secretory and proliferative. Yun po yung nangyayari sa follicular phase. And then combine ischemic and menstrual, yun po yung nangyayari kay luteal. That's it. Okay? Just combine your proliferative and secretory, combine your proliferative and secretory, and that will form your follicular, and combine ischemic and menstrual, you will form the luteal. Right? So, 4 phases. So, let's talk about anong nangyayari sa mga phases na yan. So, let me just move the screen. Right. Under proliferative phase, nagsisimula po yan sa inyong hypothalamus. Your hypothalamus secretes a hormone called your gonadotropin-releasing hormone, or your GnRH. GnRH, on the other hand, will go to the anterior pituitary gland and tell the pituitary gland to secrete your follicle-stimulating hormone. And follicle-stimulating hormone goes to the ovary. What does it do in the ovary? Right. Suggest, okay? So, anong gagawin ng inyong FSH sa ovary? Let's draw a big E. Okay? Big E. First effect of FSH, egg maturation. Yan po yung first effect ng inyong FSH. Ma-mature niya po, sasabihan niya si ovary na mag-mature ng itlog. Now, as the egg is maturing, a hormone is produced, and this is your estrogen. So there will be estrogen production. That will be the second effect of your follicle stimulating hormone. Now, as a result, estrogen results to endometrial thickening. Pinakakapal po ng inyong estrogen yung inyong endometrium, which is the innermost lining in the uterus. So there will be endometrial thickening. Okay. Ano po ang kanyang significance? Kung manipis ang inyong endometrium, hindi po maganda ang pagkaka-implant ng zygote ninyo o yung blastocyst. Maganda, to make sure na talagang maganda ang implantation, kailangan kumapal ng endometrium, and that is the effect of estrogen. Now, to give you an overview, this one here, in their first picture, manipis pa po yung endometrium din dyan. In the second picture, kumapal na po ang endometrium. As that is the result of your estrogen. So, ang response ng uterus sa estrogen is kakapal yung endometrium para mas maganda o mayroon pong pag-i-implantan yung inyong blastocyst. Right. So, tataas na po yung estrogen sa end ng proliferative phase. Yan po yung magiging signal na hindi mo na kailangan ng further FSH kasi may estrogen na. Your FSH starts to decrease. As your FSH decreases, the anterior pituitary gland will be signaled to release your luteinizing hormone, LH naman. And LH will also go in the ovary and have the following effect. Big two naman tayo. Kasi, ang effect ng LH is ovulation. When we say ovulation, ito po yung pagkaka-release ng itlog mula sa Graafian follicle. So, if this is your Graafian follicle, nasa loob po yung itlog dyan. Yan po, after the influence of LH, lalabas po yung itlog. Okay? Lalabas yung itlog from the Graafian follicle. Ano na ang matitira? Yung Graafian follicle na walang itlog, yung pinanggalingan po ng egg ninyo, isa na po siyang corpus luteum. Yun na po ang tawag dun sa pinanggalingan ng itlog. Corpus luteum. Now, to show you this, okay, this is your corpus luteum formation. Right, so look at this, these are your immature egg. Under the influence of estrogen, yan po ay magmamature into a Graafian follicle. It's one. Now, under the influence of LH, lalabas po yung itlog. Ang tawag natin dyan, ovulation. Yung pinanggalingan po ng itlog ay magiging corpus luteum. Yun na po ang tawag. Alright? That is your corpus luteum. Going back. Now, corpus luteum under the influence of LH will start to produce second hormone called progesterone. Right? Progesterone is produced under the LH. Okay? SH, estrogen. LH, progesterone. Now, ano po naman po ang magiging effect ng progesterone ninyo? Una, ang progesterone, may kakayahan po niyang itaas ang body temperature. That's why we also call progesterone as thermogenic hormone. Thermogenic hormone. Kasi kaya niya itaas ang body temperature. Yan po yung actual basis ng inyong basal body temperature na isang uri ng natural family planning. Ano ito? Ang babae, kukunin niya yung kanyang body temperature sa umaga, kagising. Yung araw, kung saan niya napansin na tumaas ang body temperature niya, iisipin niya na siya ay buntis. Siya ay fertile. Sapagkat, kung tumaas yung body temperature mo sa araw na yun, maaaring yun ang resulta ng progesterone. At kung may progesterone ka, ibig sabihin may corpus luteum ka. At kung may corpus luteum ka, ibig sabihin ikaw ay nag-ovulate. Fertile ka. Pwede kang mabuntis. So, yung body temperature, pagtaas ng body temperature can actually indicate ovulation. So, kung alam ko inaasin ng babae na yung araw na pagtaas ng kanyang body temp, siya ay fertile, maaari mo siyang umiwas sa pagkikipagkamit nang hindi siya mabuntis. This is your natural family planning under fertility awareness. Right? Next, it's the second effect of progesterone. It will cause thinning. Paninipisin po niya. Thinning of the cervical mucus. So ano po ang significance nito? Pag manipis ang cervical mucus, mas mag-penetrate siya ng sperm. So nakakatulong po siya ay nagnanais mabuntis because progesterone will cause thinning of the cervical mucus. Third is if you will inspect your uterus, specifically the endometrium under the microscope, mapapansin niyo po yung tinatawag na endometrial glands. This endometrial glands appears to be long and elongated. Now, under the influence of progesterone, these endometrial glands will start to assume a corkscrew appearance. Corkscrew appearance. Sir, ano po yung corkscrew appearance na yan? I will show you. This is your corkscrew appearance. Bilugan ko muna ito. Ang tawag po dyan, corkscrew. Yan po nung pagtanggal ng cork from the wine. I want you to focus doon sa dulo kung saan may nagwiwiggle siya. Right. Now, let's go to the first picture here. Mapapansin ninyo yung endometrial gland dyan is medyo straight siya. Wala siya masyadong liko-liko. Straight lang siya. Under the influence of progesterone, this endometrial glands starts to assume a zigzag pattern. O nagwi-wiggle na siya like this and like that. Okay? It now gives you the impression that it looks like a corkscrew. That's why it corkscrew appearance ang tawag nila. So let's go to the another picture here, yung black and yung gray. So yan yung mga glands nyo. Kung mapapansin niyo, they are long and elongated. But if you go to the picture below, bibilugan ko, this nag-wiggle sila, assuming a corkscrew appearance like that. And this is the effect of your progesterone. Yan yung tinatawag na corkscrew appearance. Alright, so these are the three effects of your progesterone. So at the end of secretory, dalawa na ang hormone na elevated. Estrogen and progesterone. Now, since mataas na po ang estrogen progesterone, ibig sabihin, handa na pong mabuntis ang isang babae. Ngayon, what if wala pong nangyaring pagtatalik, no sex happen, therefore wala rin fertilization na mangyayari. Right? No fertilization. Kung walang fertilization, walang placenta ang mapoform. Kasi hindi naman po na-fertilize yung itlog. Kung wala naman pong placenta, wala ring HCG formation. Walang HCG formation. Human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. Kung walang HCG na mapoform, HCG ang isang function niya is to keep your corpus luteum alive. So kung walang HCG, magre-regress ang corpus luteum mo. Corpus luteum will regress. Babagsak na po yung progesterone at babagsak na po yung estrogen. Ano nangyayari? Yung kumapal nung una sa endometrium mo, unti-unti ang maglalaglagan po yan. Ang tawag natin doon, sloughing. Ano magiging resulta ng sloughing? Nakikita na ngayon ng babae na lalabas ng regla mula sa kanyang vagina. So kapag nakikita na po ng babae, yung regla na lumalabas, nandun na po siya sa menstrual phase. Positive na po siya for mens. Ito na yung mens niya. Ay, menstrual. So this is your menstrual cycle. I hope na naintindihan mo na finally ang inyong menstrual cycle. Forward for more videos. So hanggang dito na po. Salamat po sa lahat.